As the pain gets cold.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, Raksha Bandhan is coming on 11th of August. So I thought to do a get ready with me for Raksha Bandhan video. And I'll be posting this video a few days earlier so that you guys can get some inspo on how to do your makeup and hair on Raksha Bandhan. So let's get started. I'm starting with my skincare. I've already cleansed my face using IKEA's face wash, and guys, I'll link all the products that I'll be using in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, I'll link all my social handles over there, so follow me on other social platforms as well. Now moving on with skincare, first I'm using facial toner, which is from Dr.Belmeur, if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm just going to take this directly on my palm. I'll be just gently dabbing this onto my face.
Breaks my heart that I'm honest to you.
Moving on with the moisturizer, I'm again using Dr.Belmeur. Taking eyelash, this much is enough.
Those glassy words, see right through your lies.
And guys, don't forget your neck. Now I'll be using sunscreen, which is very important, and this is from LISEN. I really love their sunscreen. It doesn't leave a white cast and it blends really seamlessly into your skin. You guys should give it a try. You can see how easily it blends. It is not like other sunscreen which leave a white cast and is difficult to blend. It is my favorite. Let me tell you, don't just directly get into the makeup after doing your skincare. You must wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Starting with the concealer, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me. I'm in the shade 15 Fair. And I won't be using any foundation because I want a minimal look.
I'm feeling this way every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do be do day. Do ba do be do be do.
Now I'll set my whole face using my Glam Pose HD Banana Powder. I'll also set my eyelid for eyeshadow. Moving on with the eyebrows, I'm using this Jordan USA Brow Duo powder, and I'm taking this shade. I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows using this spoolie. And yeah, I'm done. For eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. It is from Manish Malhotra. if I'm pronouncing it right, it's Sore. And today I'll be using these shades, the light pink one and the shimmer one. I'll be taking this one. See how beautiful this color is. So I'm done with the eyeshadow and this is how it looks. Minimal. Now I'll be using this K-Beauty eyeliner. It's in shade Grunge Raisin. I like brown kajal and eyeliner more than black ones. And I'll only be creating a chotu sa wing. And that is it. And I'm done. Using brown kajal. It's from MyGlam Superfoods Kajal in shade Amber. For mascara, I'm using Lash Paradise Love Liberty.
Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand and to take.
See the difference?
Don't say I didn't spend.
I really love this mascara from L'Oreal. It really does make a lot of difference to your eyelashes, as you can clearly see. Moving on to the blush, I'm using this lip and cheek tint. It is from Ilana.
Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand.
If you are someone who uses blush every day, then you should definitely give this a try. We'll be using my hands only to blend this.
I didn't spend.
See how easy this is to blend.
To take away your pain.
Now I'm setting this using setting powder.
I didn't spend my time.
Moving on to the lips, I'm using Manish Malhotra lip liner in the shade Mocha Magic.
Don't say I didn't mention it. Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand.
I've only overlined my cupid bow. Moving on to the lipstick, I'm using Maybelline. It's in the shade 175 Ringleader.
Don't say I didn't spend my time to try and understand.
So we are done with the lipstick. You can see how pouty my lips are looking. Go with a darker shade of lip liner and just overline the cupid bow. Also guys, as you can see, I have created a kind of monochrome look. Monochrome, which means that my lip shade, my blush shade and my eye shadow is kind of matching. For highlighter, I'm again using this Manish Malhotra palette in Sore. I'm gonna take this shade.
But only if I say so. Alienated. How would I take it so far? We'll never make it out of the dark. Why don't we just start the day dreaming while I'm wide awake, waiting till I see your face. Right, the atmosphere's okay.
So we are done with the makeup. Let me know in the comments guys if you like the look. Now moving on to the hair.
See your
So for my hair guys, I'm gonna use this aloe vera gel. It is from Pilgrim, and I'm gonna take this and apply it to my hair.
If I say so, alienated. How would I take it so far? We'll never make it out of the dark.
Firstly, I'm making a ponytail. Now I'll use this aloe vera gel again. Kind of set these hair in place. So guys, you can either keep your hair like this, a sleek ponytail, or what you can do is create a bun, which I'm going to do.
Don't know how to be alone, breaking all these bars hard to try and fix my own one. It's never any real fun.
I'm done with the hair. I've created this sleek bun look. You can also leave the ponytail as it is and create a sleek pony, but I went with this. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you recreate this look, do let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.